In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Metatrader 5. Updating Metatrader 5, or MT5, is usually automatic, but it's helpful to know exactly what to expect and how to trigger an update yourself on a Windows PC when you need to. Keeping MT5 current ensures compatibility with your broker, fixes bugs, and can improve stability. First, the simplest path is the automatic update. Open MT5 as you normally would and connect to your trading server. When a new version is available, MT5 will detect it and show a restart message. Click Restart, then let the platform close itself, download the update, and reopen. Don't interrupt this process. Keep your internet connection stable and give it a moment to complete. When it comes back, you're on the latest build. If you don't see a prompt but suspect you're behind, try a gentle nudge with a forced update. Close MT5 completely so it's not running in the background. On your desktop, right-click the MT5 icon and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the platform the permissions it needs to apply updates. Once it opens, wait a few minutes. You might not see much happening on screen, but MT5 will check the servers and install any pending update. Be patient and avoid clicking around until it finishes. If it still won't update, reinstalling over your existing setup is a reliable fallback. Download the latest MT5 installer directly from your broker's official website. Run the installer and install it over your current version. Do not uninstall first. Installing on top preserves your accounts, chart templates, and profiles, so your workspace remains intact. It's a good idea to close MT5 before you run the installer, and once the installation completes, launch MT5 and allow it a moment to finalize any files. After updating, it's smart to verify your version. Open MT5, go to the Help menu, and click About. You'll see the build number and release date. That confirms the update took effect. If you see an old version message anywhere in the platform, or you're unable to log into your broker's server, that's a clear sign you must update to the latest build using one of the methods we covered. A quick recap. Let MT5 update itself and restart when prompted. Elevate the app by running it as administrator if needed, and if all else fails, reinstall the latest installer over your existing copy. With these options, you'll always be ready to trade on the most current and stable version of Metatrader 5.